Hello everybody, I would like to show you how to replace a cabin filter in Toyota Avensis, made in 2014. It's an extremely easy thing actually, and I think that I will handle this only with my one hand, and I'll try to film it and show you how easy it is to do this. Okay, so the air filter is under the glove box. Take a look. We have this glove box. We have to open it. It's open. Take a look. There is such a part with a hole inside. We have to squeeze it and take off this plastic. So I try to do this with one hand. Yep. Okay. You see? I've taken it off. Okay, right now still we have to press in two places. There's a glove box. Take a look here. There is a okay, we have to press here. We just press it and it's like that, and on that side also. See? Yeah, and again. Okay, take a look. Oops. Okay, it's very easy. Now here we have the air filter, cabin filter actually. So take a look here. We have to press here, just like that. Take off. Yeah, and here we have the cabin filter. Okay, we are taking this off. Actually, I've replaced it a few days ago. So I'm putting it again here. Take a look here. This part we are putting here. Yep. Okay. Now we have the box. Putting it right here. And I will put it here, and that's all.